Rationalize the denominator of square root of 15 minus 3 all over square root of 5 minus square root of 3 and simplify. So we are going to copy first the expression square root of 15 minus 3 all over square root of 5 minus square root of 3. So since we are asked to rationalize the denominator, we are going to multiply an expression that is equal to 1 in which it is conjugate to our denominator. When we say conjugate, they have the same term but they differ in operation. So since our denominator is minus or the operation is minus, then the conjugate of this is square root of 5 plus square root of 3. And all over square root of 5 plus square root of 3, that is equal to 1. Okay, that is conjugate. That is how we rationalize the denominator. Then we are going to apply FOIL method. Square root of 15 times square root of 5, that is square root of 75. Then square root of 15 plus square root of 15 times square root of positive 3, that is equal to positive square root of 45. And then negative 3 times square root of 5, that is equal to negative 3 square root of 5. And then negative 3 times square root of 3, the result is negative 3 square root of 3. Then in our denominator, we are going to shortcut the process because these two terms are conjugate. So multiply the first term and the first term of the second binomial, that is square root of 25 minus square root of 3 times square root of 3, that is the result is square root of 9. Okay, so since they have the same terms but they differ in the operation, we can shortcut the process. Okay, so next we are going to simplify the numerator and the denominator. Square root of 75 is 25 times 3 and square root of 25 is 5, so we have 5 square root of 3 plus the square root of 45 is 9 times 5, square root of 9 is 3, so we have 3 square root of 5. 3 square root of 5 minus, copy because that is simplified form, minus 3 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 3. Then in the denominator, square root of 25 is 5. Then minus square root of 9, that is 3. Then we are going to combine like terms. So in our numerator, square root of 5 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3, the result is 2 square root of 3. Minus 3 square root of 3, the result is 2 square root of 3. Okay, then 3 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 5 is 0. So the result of this is equal to 0. Over 5 minus 3, the result is 2. Then 2 square root of 3 plus 0 is 2 square root of 3 over 2. The common is 2, so we can cancel out 2. That is square root of 3. So that is our answer, or simplified form of square root of 15 minus 3 all over square root of 5 minus square root of 3 when we rationalize the denominator.